Hello, I'm Marco Cattina and I'm the lead level designer on Miscreated. And in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a blank level using the mod SDK for Miscreated. If you followed Terry's original video, how to install the mod SDK and what files you need, you should have a similar folder structure just like this. So we're going to start with making our level. So go into Game SDK, Levels, and there should be two blank levels, blank level 4x4 and blank level 8x8. There's two key differences between this. Size is the obvious one. So 4x4 is 4 kilometers by 4 kilometers and 8x8 is 8 kilometers by 8 kilometers. Now there's two technical differences between these two. The 4x4 height map size has greater detail, whereas the 8x8 is a 4x4 map size that's been stretched out to 8x8. So the triangle count on the height map is twice as less dense as the 4x4 one compared to the 8x8. And this can be limiting on how much detail you can get in your height map detail and with terrain texture painting. That might not matter to you. It's really up to personal preference. The 8x8 map is what we used for Miscreated anyway, but it's quite a large map, but I do recommend that you use the 4x4 if you're just starting out. So in this demonstration, I'm going to use the 4x4. Now, what we want to do is we want to make a copy of this file first. Control C, Control V. There we go. So now we have a copy of the 4x4 map. And what we're going to do is we're going to rename it to what we want to call our level. So for my demonstration, I'm going to call it my level. And then we go inside the folder we just created. And there's two files in here. There's one blank level 4x4.cry and there's blank level 4x4.xml. And we need to rename these two files to the same as the folder. So rename this one my level.cry and this one my level XML. And what we're going to do is before we launch the editor, we're just going to go into this XML file and edit in Notepad or an XML viewer. There should be a display name here and it's currently blank level 4x4. I'm going to change it to the same. I don't think this is really necessary, but we'll do it anyway. You also have to make sure that the game rules are miscreated. So this is when it loads up onto the server. It knows the rules are set to the miscreated game mechanics. If someone's smart enough, they can program their own, but we'll use the miscreated one. We're going to save that. Close that. Now we need to open up the editor. And the editor is located in bin Win64 and it's editor.exe. I'm just going to let that load. Okay, now that the level editor has loaded, we can open our level we just created. So you go to the Open Level tab and you should see your level name here. In my case, it's my level. So we'll open that and we just let that load. Now, sometimes you get this error report on your initial load. These ones we can just ignore for now, but this can be useful in the future when you start building your level. It'll identify all the different errors that you might have, like missing objects and so forth, but we'll ignore that for now. So we just close that. And this is the copy of the blank level template that I've provided. And all of the objects placed on here right now are the initial setup for all the different game mechanics that we use for Miscreated. So I'll go through these in separate videos and we can ignore them for now. The first thing that you will notice is that my editor is blue. Yours is probably dark. So if you go to view and you can see all the different skins, and this is the initial dark skin, which is the default. can also have light skin if you prefer, or for me, I prefer no skinning. And that's how you create your level. I'll go through all the different tools in other videos, but I'll leave that here for now. If you have any questions or you want to talk about modding, you can go on our official Discord, and there is a modding channel where you can post questions and collaborate with others and go from there. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.